In this video, I will show you how to retrieve deleted Facebook messages. Go to www.facebook.com on a computer. You can only create your backup on a computer. There's no way to do it on your phone or tablet. Tap the down arrow at the top right. Click Settings and Privacy on the menu. Tap Settings. It's in the Settings and Privacy menu. Click your Facebook information from the left menu. Click View Next to download your information. Select a time range for the data you want to download. Just click Select Dates, choose your start and end points, and then click Update. Check the boxes next to everything you want to archive. Hit Create File. It's just below the date range. The process takes a few minutes. Facebook can usually have your download ready within 10 minutes. But this will vary depending on the number of conversations in your inbox. When you receive the confirmation email and a notification from Facebook, click the link and follow the on-screen instruction to download your backup. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.